Hello, welcome once again to my channel. So, for this is another video for a solved problem on linear programming. Again, ulitin ko, ang linear programming allows managers to allocate resources para ma-save mo yung maximum to its maximum benefits yung resources. Okay? So, because as I've said, ang resources ay scarce. So, kailangan we are able to maximize the benefits that we can extract from those resources. So here we have an electronics manufacturing company that caters to aerospace firms that has contract with NASA. So each of the products must pass through the following departments before they are shipped. Ulitin ko lang, ang problem ay galing dito sa textbook na to. Okay? Quantitative analysis for management by Render, Stair, and Hannah. So meron siyang apat na products at this must pass through the following departments before they are shipped: wiring, drilling, assembly, and inspection. The time requirement in hours for each unit produced and its corresponding profit value are summarized in the following table. So this is the table. Okay? So may apat na product. XJ201, XM897, TR29, and TR788. So let us designate these as X1, X2, X3, and X4. Okay? So, X1 generates a profit of $9 per unit. X2, $12 per unit ang profit ng company. Then, $15 per unit ang profit from X3 and $11 per unit sa X4. At ito ang kanilang processing time for each process. So wiring, product XJ201 takes about 0.5 hours of wiring, 0.3 hours of drilling, 0.2 hours of assembly, and 0.5 hours of inspection. Okay? So yeah. The production available in each department each month were given. Okay? So, yung wiring only has 15,000 hours of available for production. Okay? And the minimum production level to fulfill the contracts are given. So, this is X1 ulit, X2, X3, X4. So, minimum. So, ibig sabihin, ceiling, floor, pinakamababa. So, it should be at least 150. Okay? So our objective function is not to minimize but rather to maximize the profit. Okay? So the profit can be maximized. So, kung ano yung profit per generated per unit of each product. 9x1 plus 12x2 plus 15x3 plus 11x4. Okay? Yun yung profit natin. Now, subject to what? So, wiring, ito yung mga constraints. What else? Drilling. Tapos, assembly. And then, inspection. Ito yung constraint kasi. Ito lang yung available hours to produce, to process. Okay? So, for wiring, so, 0.5 x1 plus 1.5 x2 plus 1.5 x3 plus 1 x4 should not be what? greater than or equal to 15,000. Okay? Hindi dapat hihigit sa 15,000. So, we make use of the less than symbol. So, for drilling, 0.3. So, each product will gagamit ng drilling process. So, 0.3 x1 plus 1 x2 plus 2 x3 plus 3 x4 should not exceed 17,000. Okay? For assembly, ganun ulit. So, 0.2 x1 plus 4x2 plus 1x3 plus 2x4. Again, dapat hindi lalampas sa 26,000. And last, inspection. So, 0.5 x1 plus 1x2 plus 0.5 x3 plus 0.5 x4. Dapat hindi lalampas sa 12,000. So, number of units produced for x1 times 0.5 hours per unit of x1. So, yun ang ibig sabihin ng term na to. Okay? So, ganun din. Kasi, lahat nga ng produkto dadaan sa inspection, dadaan sa assembly, dadaan sa drilling, at dadaan sa wiring. Okay? That's just one of the constraints. Meron pa tayong additional constraint. Ano yun? Ito. Minimum production level. So therefore, X1 should not be lower than 150. So dapat greater than or equal to 150. X2, dapat ang ma-produce natin ay greater than or equal to 100. X3, greater than or equal to 300. Then X4 ay greater than or equal to 400. So this is our LP model because the problem requires us to help the manager to design the LP model. Okay, so we will solve this problem using the solver function of Excel, but it will be in another video. Okay, so thank you, and I hope this helps. So good luck.